Hi everyone, this is Kirk Mitchell. This is a tutorial for you on how you can use Naviance to better get information on your students or communicate with them. You all should have learned how to upload recommendation letters for colleges. So now I'll take you in to show you some more. The best way to get to the login screen now is to go to Resources in TigerNet, where you can click on the Naviance Succeed faculty login, put in your password. And if you don't know what your password is or it doesn't work, contact a counselor, we'll get you set up. This is your main screen here, and this is where you can go to manage college recommendations, which we've talked about already. What I'm going to do is look at the top here, these tabs here for a minute. I'm going to start off with finding information out about students. So if you click on the student roster sheet, you can type in the last name of a student, or you can search by alphabet or by grade level to pull them up. So I'm going to pull up a particular student here, Moonboy. And every student in Ridley is in the system now. And when you get to their page, you're going to see basic information about the student, including their homeroom, which is their advisor and their counselor. Okay. There'll also be on this page contact information for the student. It'll have an email address here, and if the parents are in, that'll be showing below with email information as well. Okay. If you want to send an email to a student, you can just come to this page, click on send a message, and you can type in a subject. You can CC the email to admin and faculty members, okay, whoever you like. You can also CC it to the parents. And if the parents are in here for the student, you will see a button for that, so you can CC the parents. When the parents are in the system showing as well, you can click on their email address and it'll open up the same box, and you can send an email directly to the parent and CC it to a student. So it's very handy. If you're wanting to find out information about the student, particularly if they're in grade 9 or 10, they probably will have done some of the career assessment works, surveys. If you click on plan, you'll be able to see their personality type survey. This is a Myers-Briggs personality survey, and you can read a short report on that, or you can click on the full report and read in depth about this particular student, okay, which is very handy actually in terms of understanding kids a bit. Other assessments that are in here include a couple of career assessments, and this is a great one here called the Strengths Explorer that you can take a peek at, and it shows top 3 themes of a particular student. So that's an interesting report. And in the career section over here at the top, you may see that they have done the Holland's career interest inventory as well. So this is all good information. If you're looking to see what they're involved in, all of our students by the end of the semester, by Christmas time, should have a resume in here as well. And you can poke in here just to see what they're up to. If you get a student asking for a recommendation for something else other than college, you can click on the eDocs tab here, and you can just upload a letter. So for a summer camp or an internship or whatever, you can use this system to load up any other type of recommendation letter. You'll just click on the eDocs button. You'll click on Prepare Form, and you can go down to the teacher document and you can just add a file, a Word document for a kid, and you can load it up into the system. So if you've got something here, there's a letter from Moonboy, you can actually just upload it in there, and there you go. Boom. Okay. see. What else is in here that you might be interested in? Groups. If you click on connections at the top, you'll see here what's called email. There's the option here to create or use groups of students. So if you want to send an email to a group of students in a particular house, you can click on this. I have created a bunch of groups in here for you already. So let's say you're an advisor and you would like to send, or you're a head of house and you would like to send something to all the students in Dean's house. You can use this function here to construct an email for them. Okay, I'll just start it. You can go down to, maybe you want to send it to all seniors in Dean's house. So you pick your grade level range and you go down to where it says groups and you pull down and you look for your group in here. Dean's, boom, and you can preview it. And it will show all the seniors in Dean's house. Okay. You can also send to all the parents of students in a particular house. Or if you'd like to create your own group, like a team, for instance, if you're a coach, you can go over here to the student section, to groups, and you can create a group. Add a new group. You can code it. Maybe you want to do lower school basketball. All right. Add group. Once that group is in the system, then it's right here. I can edit the members. So I know I'm going to be coaching lower school basketball in the next term. So I can go in here. Once I know my team, I'll be in grade 7 and 8. I'll go into grade 7, pull up those students and any of the kids in here that I know are on that team. I can just click on them and move them over to the group on this side. Once I have those players in, I can click on Update Membership. The group is in the system, and then I can communicate with them. So this is all a very helpful tool to help you communicate with kids. That's probably enough for now. Good luck. If you have any questions, talk to one of the counselors and we'll get you set up.